Ever wondered why bad habits stick so easily, and good habits feel impossible? The answer lies in a simple, three-step loop running inside your brain. It's called the habit loop. If you understand it, you can rewire your habits and your life. Here's the problem. Habits run on autopilot. Up to 40% of your daily actions are unconscious routines. That means you're not failing because you're weak, you're just following loops your brain has already wired in. Psychologists discovered that every habit has three parts. Cue, the trigger that starts the habit. Routine, the behavior itself. Reward, the benefit your brain gets, which locks in the loop. Example, you feel stressed, cue. You grab chocolate, routine. You feel comfort, reward. The brain says, perfect, do this again. So how do you use this loop to your advantage? Follow these steps. Notice what triggers your bad habits: time, place, emotion, or people. Awareness is the first step. You can't erase a habit, but you can replace it. When the cue hits, swap the routine. Stress? Instead of chocolate, take a walk. The reward must stay. If your brain craves comfort, the new routine must also give comfort, or it won't stick. Here's the secret. Habits don't disappear, they get overridden. Your old loops are still there, waiting. That's why relapse happens. But if you consistently feed your brain a new routine with the same reward, over time, the new habit becomes the default. Your brain isn't against you. It's just efficient. And once you learn the habit loop, you hold the power to rewire it. Start small. Replace one routine. Keep the reward. That's how you reshape your life, one loop at a time. This is Be Better, Personal Development. Subscribe for more strategies to build the life you deserve and become better. Thank you for watching.